In this video I'll be showing you how you can get the Dolphin pet in Hypixel Skyblock. So there's initial two ways to get the Dolphin pet. The first way is more or less a grindy way, or the Iron Man profile way to get the Dolphin. And this Iron Man profile way is to get the Dolphin pet is obtained from killing sea creatures. And after you have killed a certain amount of sea creatures, then you'll be awarded the Dolphin pet. So let's talk about over the milestones to get this Dolphin pet. To get a common Dolphin pet, you will need to kill 250 sea creatures. To get an uncommon pet, you will need to kill 1000 sea creatures. To get a rare Dolphin pet, you will need to kill 2500 sea creatures. To get an epic Dolphin pet, you will need to kill 5000 sea creatures. And lastly, you need to get legendary Dolphin pet, you need to kill 10,000 sea creatures. So now let's talk about how you can actually find these sea creatures. And to find and kill these sea creatures, you will need to find a water or lava fishing spot in the Hypixel Skyblock hub, so you can fish for the sea creatures. I should probably say that the chance to catch a sea creature is determined by the player's sea creature chance, so you will need to find a way to get more sea creature chances. The next way of obtaining the Dolphin pet is by going to the auction house. And I could just quickly show you how much a Dolphin is worth today. Go down here to search, click in Dolphin, like so, lowest price. And as you can see, a level 1 common Dolphin pet is equivalent to 50,000 coins. Now let's talk about the cat leveling and how much it costs to upgrade a Dolphin pet. If you want to upgrade a common Dolphin pet to uncommon, then the base cost will cost you 100,000 coins, and a common pet at level 100 will cost you 70,000 coins and will take you 1 real life day to upgrade. If you want to upgrade a common Dolphin pet to an uncommon, the base cost to upgrade from uncommon to rare is 1 million coins, and if your pet is already level 100, then it will cost 70,000 coins and will take you 2 real life days to upgrade. The base cost for the next upgrade from rare to epic will cost you 10 million coins. And if your pet is level 100, then it will cost you 7 million coins and will take you 7 real life days to upgrade. The base cost for the last upgrade from epic to legendary is 50 million coins, and if your Dolphin is already level 100, then it will cost you 35 million coins to upgrade. This upgrade would take 16 real life days to upgrade. And there you have it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!